Hi, this is video 103, EdgeUP Personality Tab. The 100 series videos deal with technical training. Video 101 goes through downloading and installing the EdgeUP desktop app. If you've not done this, then watch 101 EdgeUP installation video and execute the instructions, then come back here. The personality of a device refers to its configuration, whether this be how the inputs and outputs are set up on an I/O module or how the widgets are configured on an easy view display. Each personality trait has a text personality file detailed in the user manual for the device family. Let's get started. The Personality tab is the file interface between EdgeUP and the connected device. Whatever is in the Personality text window will be downloaded line by line to the connected device when Write to Device is clicked. Ensure that the Personality text window contents conform to the structure of the connected device as detailed in the device user manual. This video will not go into the structure of the files. We'll be learning how to work with Personality files. So let's go through the Personality tab layout and functions. We have the ability to open resource files. So if we go to a resource file, we can go and open a resource file there. We can clear the file, and if you've got confirm checked, then it'll ask you if you're sure. If you've got confirm unchecked, then it will clear it without asking. That's just a safety feature to make sure you don't delete something you shouldn't be deleting. Then from the project files, you can open your project file and you are then able to check the contents of the file. And the first thing you need to do is have a device connected, because the file structure is dependent on the family and model that you are going to be checking against. So in this case, we're going to go and open a UI4 U04. We're going to connect to it. We're going to go back to the Personality tab, and we're now going to check, and it says it's going to check it against that, and it's passed. So this file content and the commands within that file all conform to a UI4 U04. We can save files in both the resource folders and the project folders, and when you open up a file, the first line should be the file name. That is the structure of the files as detailed in the user manual. If you look down here, you'll see that the file name is there in the file name. If you want to save the file name, you just click save, and it'll say that it is going to save the file at that location, and you can say OK. You have the option of looking for line numbers, and that will tell you that there are 13 lines in the file, and the last lot of lines is blank, wasted space. When I made the change, you can see that the file action changed to save file here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to save that. I'm going to go and open up the control.txt. I'm going to refresh line numbers. You'll see that it doesn't tell me to save the file, and if I close this page, it won't prompt me to save the file. However, if I go and clear out these lines, these blank lines, the file has changed now. I can go and save that file, and I can refresh the line numbers, and you'll see that the blank lines have disappeared. I have a 4UI4UO connected, which means that this file here is allowed to be downloaded to the device. So I'm now going to write to the device, you'll see the progress here, and each line as it's transmitted is accepted by the device. The file is closed with an end of text and a console command sent back to say that it is right, that the write operation has been successful. I can clear that, and I can clear that window. Okay, that concludes the personality tab. Thank you very much.